Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Let's Crack UPSC. Hope all of your preparation going well. We are only 41 days, I would say 41 days away from our the D-Day, that is on 23rd May 2021. Hope the thing is, I have been repeating it n number of times that revision and appearing MCQ hold the key for your better performance in the prelim examination. The better revision you will do, the better will be the result. And when you are appearing any of the test series, and by the way, we are shortly we are able to provide you test series first for our monthly subscribers, then I will release it to my YouTube subscribers, just like you people. Then the first thing is, whenever you appear MCQs, try to analyze it from which side this particular question is asked. Many of the students, why they make the mistake, they only focused on one particular direction. When you see a particular MCQ, try to pick that particular question, try to figure out from which side the particular question is being asked and what can be the other question from that particular section. When you will do so, the chances are high that you will be able to tackle many type of MCQs from that particular section. So I hope the message is clear to all of you guys, and do make it a point that always try to improve upon the gray areas. Whenever you improve upon the gray areas, the performance will be better and you will be on the safer side of prelim cutoff. Especially, I have made a video that 55 and above, everything above 55 and above is generally considered as safer side, depending upon the toughness of the question. Today, I am going to discuss with you the current affairs which are very important and likely to come. So, very important. India's first cow sanctuary, Kamadhenu Go Abhayaranya, located at? It is located at MP, Madhya Pradesh. Remember this. India's first cow sanctuary, the Kamadhenu Go Abhayaranya, MP, Madhya Pradesh. Which country was declared measles-free nation by WHO? World Health Organization has declared this particular country in South Asia as measles-free. That is Sri Lanka. Very important, Sri Lanka. Third generation anti-tank missile test fired by DRDO. What is the anti-tank missile test fired by DRDO? DRDO, you understand? Defense Research Development Organization. Defense Research Development Organization. The third generation anti-tank missile, it is Nag missile. That is Nag missile. Then expand NCGC. What is NCGC? It is National Center for Good Governance. It is National Center for Good Governance. Remember this. The 3-year roadmap for medium-term objective finalized by RBI is called Uttaraksh 2022. Remember Uttaraksh 2022. It is 3-year roadmap prepared by RBI. Then world's largest burn and plastic surgery institute, Sheikh Hasina National Burn and Plastic Surgery Institute, Dhaka. Very important. World's largest plastic surgery and burn institute. It is Sheikh Hasina Institute, Dhaka. Remember this. Tejinder Pal Singh tour was in news recently, is associated with shot put throw. It is Tejinder Pal Singh tour, shot put. Always remember this. Under which scheme around 35 crore LED bulbs were distributed in India? Unnat Jyoti by Affordable LED for All. Unnat Jyoti by Affordable LED for All. Remember that. Unnat Jyoti Affordable LED by All. It is Ujjwala Yojana. Then Arinjita Day is associated with which sport? Arinjita Day associated with K. Karate. AK, Anil Kumar Bishoyi. That is AK. Arinjita related to karate. Then name the scheme which was extended to fisheries and animal husbandry farmers in order to assist them to meet their working capital. It is Kisan Credit Card. Very, very important. Kisan Credit Card has been extended to fisheries and animal husbandry farmers because it is very important, because these farmers are getting sort of credit and they fall into the prey of all the money lenders who are exploiting them. The government has extended the Kisan Credit Card to them so that they can get the easy access to capital. Then India's first design development center, Fascinova, located at Surat, Gujarat. Very important. India's first fashion design development center, Fascinova. Design development center, Fascinova. It is at Surat, Gujarat. Then Gaganjit Bhullar is associated with which port? It is Gaul. Gaganjit Bhullar, Gaul. GG. You can associate GG. GG. It is Gaul. Full form of NIIF, National Investment Infrastructure Fund. National Investment Infrastructure Fund. It is the full form of NIIF. A Prime Minister to remember. Memories of a Military Chief is written by Sushil Kumar. Very important. A Prime Minister to remember. A memories by a Military Chief. It is Sushil Kumar. World Milk Day celebrated on 1st June. Very important. World Milk Day is the day is on FAO Establishment Day. 1st June is FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization Establishment Day. That day is celebrated by United Nations as World Milk Day. Remember it. Then venue for 2024 Olympic Games. It is Paris, France. Paris, France is the venue for 2024 Olympic Games. Then venue for 2028 Olympic Games. It is Los Angeles, US. Los Angeles, US. Then venue for 2022 Commonwealth Games. It is Birmingham, England. Very, very important. Let's do a quick recap what we studied. India's first cow sanctuary, MP. Which country declared measles-free Sri Lanka? Then anti-tank missile NAG. Expand Logic, NCGC, National Center for Governance, Good Governance. Then 3-year roadmap. It is Uttarakhand 2022. Then world's largest burn and plastic surgery, Sheikh Hasina Dhaka. Then Tejinder Pal Singh Shotput. Then underbid scheme around 35 Ujjwala Yojana. Then Aranjita Day, it is AK, that is what is karate. Then name associated with extended, that is KCC. KCC extended to fisheries and animal husbandry. India's first design development, Surat. Then Gaganjit Bhullar is Gaul. Then full form of NIIF, that National Investment Infrastructure Fund. Then a Prime Minister to remember by Sushil Kumar. World Milk Day is celebrated on 1st June. Then venue for 2024 Olympic, it is Paris, France, and 28 is Los Angeles, US. Then 22 Commonwealth Game is Birmingham, UK. This was all about current affairs. Do update this kind of a current affairs which are very, very important for OPSC Prelim 2020-21. And for my monthly subscribers, we will be taking our MCQ session today. And all those new YouTube subscribers, many of this 500 odd subscribers have already converted into my paid course, a paid prelim crash course. We are doing a prelim crash course in which we are covering the entire syllabus of the prelim. Very, very important sections of the prelim which are very, very important. They are frequently asking the question from this particular sections. So if you are really interested, join in today without delay. We are still 40 days away, and with our high quality videos and content, you will definitely ace the prelim examination. आपण माने आराम से prelim examination clear करी परिबे. आज ही join करंतु. It will cost you 399 rupees, and it's a prelim crash course. Within 2 months, we are going to cover entirely everything, and I will be sharing the master key class for prelim 2021 with my monthly subscribers only on 20 May 2021. So if you are interested, join in today. It will cost you 399 rupees. but the quality and content you will get is far better in value. Any of the coaching institute or any of the online platforms are not providing this kind of a highly wonderful content. Thank you very much.